Udaba lokufika kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe ngokungemthetho luseyinkinga enkulu eNingizimu Afrika. Namhlanje izinhlangano ezahlukene zomphakathi zimashele ophikweni lomnyango wezasekhaya eGoli ukuyohlaba umkhosi ngalolu daba. Lezi zinhlangano zinxusa uhulumeni ukuthi athathele izinyathelo ezinqala ezikhulu zomnyango wezasekhaya ezithinteke ezenzweni zokungena kwabantu ngokungemthetho.
Bamashele emahhovisi womnyango wezasekhaya eJohannesburg abezinhlangano ezahlukene ukulwisana nabokufika kwelakuleli ngokungemthetho njengoba bethi bamosha iNingizimu Afrika. Lezi zinhlangano zithi sinikeza ungqongqoshe walomnyango izinsuku eziyishumi-4 ukuba aphendule kwizikhalazo zabo.
We are tired as ama-citizens ngale corruption eyenzakalayo, abantu beza nama-fake documents aphuma ku the same home affairs. So besikhuza sithi this must come to an end. So silethe leyo memorandum ukuthi escalate to i-minister, which is into ebesifuna ukuthi yenzeke, and sibanikeze ne-time frame ukuthi sibafuna ukuthi basiphendule within how many days ukuthi sikwazi ukuqhubekela phambili ngoba this thing is getting out of hand nationally. There is a big difference ukuthi ube xenophobic nokuba fed up because of the people who are undocumented. I think ama-citizens now within the constitution anawo ama-rights ababonisayo ukuthi okay they are protected, but now into esibhekana nayo ukuthi we feel as ama-citizen ukuthi the foreign nationals are protected more than thina as ama-citizens, and we are fed up, and if they don't take care of this issue, sengisho the government and everyone else, it will get out of hand and will be blamed for something which we did not do, because we are the leaders abakhuza umphakathi ukuthi rather than ukuthi nilwe asenzeni izinto right. So if they don't listen bazozwa ngenye indlebe and bangasblame as the leaders of the communities.
Kanti-ke imeneja yalehhovisi ithathile umqulu wezikhalazo nethembisile ukudlulisela kwabafanele. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseJohannesburg.